Nice finger.
What's that on your hand?
It's probably just shit or something. I don't know
What's that
what
on
it
your
is.
hand?
It's just shit. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, I really, really love you.
Oh, I love you too, Joey.
Oh, do you forgive me for being rude? Please forgive
Alright,
me.
I forgive you.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
Yeah. You keep saying that now. Keep scratching me, you
Guilty
son of a
for being
bitch.
great.
Why does everybody keep saying guilty?
Mm-hmm. Damn right you are.
Oh my god, you're such a fucking retard.
Yeah, you are a good kitty.
I know that.
Okay?
Sheesh, just keep scratching me, okay? Jeez. Can you not do that for goodness sake? What is wrong with you?
Okay.
Jeez.
Jeez. Calm down.
Man, you're so annoying. Can you rub my back harder? You're not even doing anything.
I
You're
am.
barely doing anything. What do you mean?
I am. Don't you see I am?
Jeez, you're so weak. God. Well, that does feel good.
Right?
Yeah, it does feel good.
Thing I'd like to do most is
Yes,
there.
I know you like to sit on your lazy ass
Looking
playing video
fixed.
games all day. I know that. I'm not stupid, okay?
I know you're not stupid. I didn't say you were stupid.
Did I say that you said that was stupid? Think about that? Did you think about that, asshole? Huh? I want to smell your stupid hand. Hand smells like ass.
Jeez.
Yeah, you're a dick.
You know, sometimes
you
you are really, really annoying. You know that?
know what? Well, screw you then if you think I'm annoying.
That's not nice.
It's not supposed to be nice, you asshole. What do you expect? I'm a cat. And I don't give a crap.
You're a good kitty. Okay?
This guy's so stupid. So stupid! He's going crazy. Look.